Haha. Anna doggy. Anna and Anna doggy. Anna and Anna and Anna. Sire, may I suggest a new way of counting that doesn't involve saying Anna again and again? Nonsense. There's nothing wrong with my way of counting. Yeah, but just hear me out. So what I have here is a new system where you only have to say one word to understand how many of one thing there is. Go on. So we know Anna means one, right? Mm-hmm. Hear me out. Anna and Anna would be duo, like a duo. Then if we had Anna and duo together, we would get tria, like a triangle. And how many sides of a triangle are there? Tria. After tria would be duo and duo. No, it would be tessera. But why? Well, you see, I predict that in about 3,000 more years, there will be this play called The Avengers. And in this play, there's this thing called a tesseract. It's basically a cube, and what a cube's made of? Squares. And how many sides of a square are there? Tessera? Yes, sire. Okay, and then we have pende, coming from the pende, sides of a pentagon. And in fact, the next few are all related to shapes as well. We have hexi from a hexagon. We have επτά from HEPTagon. So are they all gonna be shapes? No, sire. The next number after επτά is OKTú, because... What, from an octagon? I mean, I was gonna say like octopus, but yeah, octagon works as well. After OKTú, we have εννέα from HEXagon. Why would a shape have so many sides in the first place? My lord, only Zeus would know this fact. Anyways, the final number of my system thus far is 10. Because what do we call Anna plus 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 Anna years? A decade. Bravo! So, what do you think? Nah. What?
Ένα, ένα, δύο, δύο, τρία, τρία, τέσσερα, τέσσερα, πέντε, πέντε, έξι, επτά, οκτώ, εννέα, δέκα,